Hi guys, welcome back. So today we're gonna change our aftermarket side stand because that one broke off last time and this is the original part from Yamaha. So we're gonna replace this one right here today. So this is the aftermarket one that broke off that we need to replace today. As you can see, it is very thin and it's not unlike this original one. You can see the quality difference, and for this one right here, if you can tell the difference, this is the one with the Bajaj. So this one right here is from a Kawasaki Bajaj. We cannot find any shop that has available original side stand before, so we have this one I bought, and in comparison to the original you can tell the quality and the size difference. The original right here is heavy compared to this Bajaj side stand, and the lightest is the aftermarket one which broke off. So as you can see on the left part is the Bajaj side stand that we bought for the meantime in replacement for the original side stand which we have here on the right. So as you can tell, the size difference and the quality and also the angle. So let's now install this one. So let's put on the washer or the spacer first, and then the spring. We need to put on some elbow grease in this one because this is pretty stiff. Yep, first attempt failed, and let's try it again. As you can see, the first attempt failed, and let's try this again. So this is really stiff and hard, so we need to be patient on installing this one. Alright, so this is the aftermath of the installation. So this one right here looks pretty good as new. Let's check if the spring right there is aligned with the stand, and that's good to go. So what I did, guys, was to tie a rope on the bike so it won't follow me while installing. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. Peace out.